Greetings, I'm Geralin Thomas, and my website, Metropolitan Organizing, is a little like Mary Poppins' magic carpet bag. It's full of all sorts of goodies to optimize your organizing business. Spend some time reading through my blog posts, check out my free checklists, or for $11, purchase both editions of Terms of the Trade, glossaries featuring vocabulary words for professional organizers. In this video, I'll tackle the terrifying topic of fees and rates. Rates and fees, what to charge. I'd like to begin by giving you a spoonful of sugar to help these pointers on pricing become more pleasant and palatable. Mary Poppins knew what she was talking about when she said, "Well begun is half done." So, before determining your prices, create a list of services you'll offer. Imagine an aspiring professional organizer named Pip, who offers residential organizing services. Let's just say that Pip is a supercalifragilisticexpialidocious professional organizer because, in addition to hands-on organizing services, she offers virtual organizing sessions too. Like Mary Poppins, Pip is practically perfect in every way. On her website, LinkedIn, and Pinterest, she clearly states that she offers both hands-on residential organizing services and virtual organizing services. Consistency is a good thing in the organizing industry. Oh, and look here, I spy with my little eye a few 5-star reviews and recommendations from happy clients. Pip blogs once a month. Her blog posts are on topic: virtual organizing and hands-on organizing case studies. She's creating a body of work that support her areas of practice. Good for her. She and her insurance agent discussed coverage related to all the services she's providing. That's a smart thing. And Pip made the decision to display her pricing in plain sight on her website. In my opinion, the advantages far outweigh the disadvantages. Hourly, package, and project pricing are probably the 3 most common methods used in the organizing industry. Hourly pricing might look like this: X number of dollars per hour with a minimum of 3 hours. This method of pricing is transparent and uncomplicated, but new clients might suspect that an organizer works slowly in order to earn more. Remember, once you gain more experience, you become more efficient. Speaking of efficient, if you have not listened to episode 1 of NAPO's standout podcast titled Secrets of Success, where I discuss master faster, you might want to put that on your to-do list. I'll link it in the show notes below. Package pricing. The options are unlimited, but here's how Pip does it. Her Thrifty Thursday packages save clients 30% off her regular pricing, but clients must be available on Thursdays from noon to 3 p.m. Included in this price are 9 3-hour sessions for the rate of X number of dollars. Now here's the fine print. All 9 sessions must be used within 90 days of purchase and paid in full in advance. No refunds, no rescheduling, no changes, no excuses, no nonsense. And then there's project pricing. Here's how Pip presents and promotes her popular Project Spring Fling. Included is 1 3-hour in-home assessment, a detailed written plan of action with step-by-step instructions, a list of Pip's preferred posh products, and 1-hour virtual organizing sessions for 6 consecutive months. This offer is only available in March, April, and May. I know, you still want to know about fees. You're wondering what to charge. Patience, people, patience. I have let my fingers do the walking and gathered exact prices from real live professional organizers located all over the USA. And that info can be found in a blog post, which is linked below. But before you click over there to read that blog post, we need to talk about in-person assessments. So many options. Let me share 4 of the most common. Do an exceedingly detailed consultation. Spill the beans and give them granular level details. charge big time for it. Do a short and sweet meet and greet, look around, charge nothing. Cross your fingers and wish upon a star they hire you. Do a meet and greet for a fee, then apply that fee towards the first paid session. Or do what Pip does. She uses the New Organizer's Essential form she purchased to conduct a free detailed phone assessment. She sometimes asks the prospective client to send photos. They book an appointment over the phone. Then, on the first visit, she spends up to 1 hour doing an in-person consultation. After that, she rolls up her sleeves and spends the remainder of the appointment doing hands-on work. Look, there's no right or wrong way to do this. It's your business. Just remember to clearly communicate what it is that you're doing, the price, when payment is due, and which forms of payment are accepted. Determining your rates, a few items require your immediate attention. Cancellation fees, shopping fees, product research fees, trip or travel fees, and off hours. Regarding trip or travel fees, you might use the IRS's standard mileage rate, or you might bill according to time spent commuting. If a client flies you somewhere to work, like their vacation home, for example, you'll need to figure out a daily travel rate. In addition, you'll need to come up with a per diem for food, transportation to and from the airport, accommodations, and parking. My final pricing-related question for you has to do with off hours. Decide if you will bill in 15-minute, 6-minute, or 1-minute increments when clients want access to you or expect you to respond during evening hours or on weekends and holidays. For me, this was a game changer. It helped establish boundaries and affected my bottom line. Some clients are what I call constant communicators, meaning they text, email, and call all day, all night. Trust me, those minutes of reading and responding really add up. It's your responsibility to inform people when they can expect a response from you during the evening hours, weekends, holidays. Remember, that's billable time. If you decide to make yourself available 24/7, you might consider charging a higher fee for clients who want the privilege of accessing you off hours. I'll conclude with another Mary Poppins quote. In every job that must be done, there is an element of fun. Now here's a quick recap of today's tiny tasks. 1, read my blog post on what organizers charge. 2, listen to NAPO's Standout podcast, episode number 1, titled Secrets of Success, featuring yours truly. 3, be consistent. Your website, social media post, and insurance policy should mirror one another regarding the services you're providing. 4, determine pricing, hourly, package, project, or a combination. 5, about phone intakes and in-person consultations. Will you do them for free or a fee? 6, remember your letter of agreement needs to include pricing details about cancellations, shopping, research, reading, and responding, as well as travel time. Finally, number 7, last but not least, do me a favor. Give this video a thumbs up if you love free information about the organizing industry. Thanks for watching.